Hello everybody, it's Mac, your local hearing specialist here in Conway, South Carolina. Today's Wednesday, our favorite day of the week because we get to go live and talk to all the great people out here on our Facebook page about something new and important about our world of hearing. So our topic today is, what is the cost of a hearing test? A lot of people might not be super excited to go get their hearing test because they think they're going to have to pull out their checkbook and write us a little check saying, here's the money for the test we done today. I want you guys to know something. Here at Hearing Healthcare, we do not charge for a hearing evaluation. Yes, you heard that correctly. We do not charge for a hearing test. Free test. We'd like to have people come on in, see us, get their test, even if they're just wondering, maybe if you have a problem hearing, or if you know someone who might have a problem, we'd like to have them come on in and see us for their free test, because we believe it's important to get your hearing tested at least once a year. And we like to offer that to everyone in our community who thinks they could use a hearing test. So once again, you know the drill. Give us a call. Our number's right on the page here. Give us a call. You might be connected to one of our lovely people who's going to schedule you to come see me, come see Thomas, Carolyn, Jim, anyone in this area who would love to help you out with their free hearing test. And just to show you where we are, here's our hearing booth right here where you would get your test done. All right. So we have that option. If you are unable to get into the booth due to restrictions, movement restrictions, we're able to bring our equipment outside, and you can sit right outside our booth and we can hook you up so you can hear our test without having to get up in the booth. All right. So there's no reason not to call today. Please give us a call. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Once again, my name is Mac, and I'm your local hearing specialist here at Hearing Healthcare Conway and Myrtle Beach. Thank everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Bye now.